Once again, Binibini number 6. I'll be reading the question twice. Your question, Binibini number 6. If given influence, how would you unite the towns of Marinduque toward one mission? I'll translate it in Filipino language. Kung bibigyan ka ng influensya, paano mo pag-iisahin ang mga bayan ng Marinduque tungo sa isang adhikain? I'll repeat it again. If given influence, how would you unite the towns of Marinduque toward one mission? Kung bibigyan ka ng influensya, paano mo pag-iisahin ang mga bayan ng Marinduque tungo sa isang adhikain?
If I was given a chance to be an influencer and be an inspiration to all of you, I will use my voice to encourage each and every one of you that it is now high time for us to be united as one. On what way? By this such an event, this specific event, Binibini Marinduque is a very much good example on how we will be able to unite as not only as Marinduqueños yet also as a Filipino, because that is, we are empowering our communities, we are giving strength to each and every one of us, and through this we will be able to be known not only in our country but worldwide.
Maraming salamat, Binibini number 6. This time around, we'll be calling our next Binibini. Binibini number 3.
Alright, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka, Binibini number 3?
Actually, hindi ko po explain yung happiness ko tonight because of the overwhelming support of my family and of my pagkakas. Thank you so much po sa support na
Are you ready for your question? Hindi ka na ng iyong question.
alright. Ako ulit ang magbabasa ha. For your question, how can a Marinduqueña lead progress while remaining humble and rooted? I'll translate in Filipino language. Paano magmumuna sa kaunlaran ang isang Marinduqueña habang nananatiling mapagpakumbaba at nakaugat sa kultura? I'll repeat the next chance of yours to listen to your question. Again, how can a Marinduqueña lead progress while remaining humble and rooted? Paano magmumuna sa kaunlaran ang isang Marinduqueña habang nananatiling mapagpakumbaba at nakaugat sa kultura?
Ang pagiging Marinduqueña, hindi lamang po nasusukat sa paglabas na kaanyuan. It is a pleasure to be a Marinduqueña as well. And para po, can you please again repeat the question?
Okay, sorry.
As a Marinduqueña, it's a pleasure to be here in this kind of province where humble people live as well. And I believe, naniniwala po ako na tayo po ay magtatagumpay sa isang bagay, na tayo po ay nanatiling humble po at mayroon po tayong puso sa ating community. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Binibini number 3. Ayan. So now, tawagin natin ang ating sunod na Binibini Mountains, our Binibini number 2. How are you? Binibini number 2.
Actually, I feel very nervous right now.
Pero sige lang, napakalas na mo ba hanggang ngayon? Kaya naman, pumili ka na ng iyong tanong.
katanungan. Why are you proud to be a Marinduqueña? In Filipino language, bakit dapat mong ipagmalaki ang pagiging isang Marinduqueña? I'll repeat the question again. Why are you proud to be a Marinduqueña? In Filipino language, bakit dapat mong ipagmalaki ang pagiging isang Marinduqueña?
now to share, spread awareness